This is a video that'll walk you through the overview page of the Digital Reputation Dash. Before we go into the overview page, a few quick things to note. Up here on the top right, you'll see these icons, and these icons can do different things and help you navigate you through the dash. For example, this is to print the page that you're viewing into a PDF. You can export it into a PDF file and print it out. There's a help section as well as a settings section. You'll see this button on the right which says take a tour. And if you click on it, it'll basically give you a demo tour of whatever page you're on within the Digital Dash. In this case, it's the overview page. So when you click on Start Demo, it walks you through the page slide by slide and talks about what you're looking at. So you can click Next. Or when you're done, you can simply just end the tour. So these icons you will find on nearly every page that you click on the Digital Reputation Dash. So now this is the overview page, and what this does is that it gives you a snapshot of all the other pages and gives you a good view into what your reputation is. So this is for the visibility section, which is basically your listings on directories and search engines and review sites and whether you're listed or not and how well you're listed. And it gives you a score depending on how well you're doing. In this case, it's a 97% presence score. Generally, 70% or higher is considered good. It also gives you how many listings are accurate, how many may have inconsistencies, or how many may be missing. In the middle here, you have your reviews. And this gives you a cumulative star rating of all your reviews combined. So in this case, the combined rating is 4.3 out of 5 out of 242 reviews. It also lets you know what percentage of your reviews are positive versus neutral versus negative, or if you have any reviews that have no ratings at all. You have the mentions. Basically, anytime you're mentioned on the web other than reviews. And similarly, it tells you how many times you've been talked about and whether it's positive, the percentage of times it's positive versus neutral versus negative. As you scroll down, you'll come up to the keyword ranking tool, and this tracks your keyword rankings on Google for yourself as well as 3 of your competitors. And it shows you when it was last updated and gives you the rankings for different keywords. You can adjust these keywords in the settings and it will track them. And these green arrows show going up, show what the change has been in rankings, if there's been a change in rankings since the last update. Scrolling a little further down, and the last section on the overview page kind of gives you a glimpse into your social network score, or how you're doing overall in social networking. And it covers Facebook, Twitter, Foursquare, and Google+, and then it also gives you an overview of how well you're doing on all of them. It gives you a combined score for each one versus your competition. And as you can see, there's a graph here which kind of shows how you've been trending over some time. You can even click individually, for example, on Foursquare, and it shows you how you're doing just specifically in Foursquare. And it changes the graph here because it's Foursquare. You can click on Facebook, and it can give you the Facebook scores. So again, this is just a brief video to kind of go over what the overview page does for you, which is typically the page that you would land on when you log into the system. Thank you.